Hi, Laura Holyoke here, giving you a short overview of organizational leadership and what we're going to be doing this spring semester. A hearty welcome. Thanks so much for being in this class. I think that we'll have a good time and hopefully learn quite a bit. A couple of course considerations that I wanted to talk to you about is, first of all, your upfront reading, and to be completed by around the beginning of February, is to read Creativity Inc. from beginning to the end. I think it's a pretty enjoyable read. I have it both in hard copy as well as on Audible, so to listen to, it's a pretty good listen as well. I'm also recovering from 2 surgeries in December. I had shoulder and hand surgery, and I've only been released to work half-time right now and still have very little use of my right arm or hand. Hence, I wanted to get the reading done as we kind of warm up for class. So, course evaluation this semester is based on 3 different pieces. One of them is ensuing discussions and the individual notes that you will take from those discussions to post those notes. Then we'll have 4 application papers based on the 4 different areas of shine and highlighting where we see those areas happen in Creativity Inc. at Pixar. And then finally a reflection paper of your course takeaways and what you've learned and how you'll apply that. So a little bit more on the ensuing discussions and individual notes. You will meet with 1 or more of your classmates face-to-face, on Zoom, online somehow, and discuss your readings, both Creativity Inc. and especially Shine's, the different parts of Shine that we'll be reading. I'll ask that your prompts be the same prompts that you have for your papers that you will be writing. So part of what I want you to do is to continually go back into that arena, have your discussions and notes and papers all be about the same thing. So you meet with classmates, discuss the application paper prompts, and then record your individual discussion notes, and those you'll be posting as on blogs. So the application papers will be exactly the prompts that you've discussed in your groups, in your ensuing discussions. I shouldn't say it's not a specific group. Your application papers directly relate to the ensuing discussions and individual notes. So by the time you put together your application paper, you ought to have notes of everything that you're going to include in the paper. I will be giving you some outlines for the papers as well. Here's the 4 different papers and what I would like for you to focus on as we go through. So the first paper, it focuses on Shine Part 1. For you to describe and give examples of Shine's 3 levels of culture at Pixar. The second one is for you to tell us about what assumptions are made at Pixar and how they are carried out. The third one is to explore the embedding mechanisms used at Pixar. And the last paper is to explain how culture and change are managed at Pixar. Finally, a paper about your course takeaways. What knowledge and understandings are you taking from the course, and how will you apply these to enact change in your life and for your understandings? So that's the really quick and dirty. I'll be posting more information about the papers, about your ensuing discussions, giving you some place to help coordinate those, and just really glad that you're here.